We are here at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house. We go stand on the porch like the guy in the movie. Hey, you want Lulu to lay down on the porch? You can squash her head.
Have you seen that? He's got a remote leg.
Dang.
It's like a brace, and he can like make it go real strong.
Here we are. It's actually a diner. We're about to go in, or a cafe. I don't know if it's the same thing. Look, please enter through the club car bar entry. So we're gonna go check this spot out. Look, there's blood right there.
That was great. How's your day?
I wonder if I will make my sound
What was that? Like, these are actually the ones he used. Mama?
I'm coming home. They're dead.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
I thought somebody was out there. What did you do?
Holy crap.
Beside him.
No! You said I was up.
Oh my god.
It's just PVC.
Oh my god.
He moved. He moved. Oh my god, he moved.
There's
Alright, alright, alright. Ooh. Go in there. It's creepy.
No, it ain't. It's funny.
It's creepy.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
It's funny. That guy's head fell off.
What is in there?
What is it? What's in that one?
Check.
Will it open?
Pennywise, is that what the clown's name is?
Yeah.
Was it Renfest? He was always walked around. Yeah. And I walked right past it. I don't know. If you knew my ex-husband, you wouldn't want to see it.
I want a tank top. Wait.
This one's cool. They got him right there.
Yeah, I want one of these.
And then this one.
Oh, I thought it was crusty.
Hey, you're gonna be in the vlog too. Overall, how was the food?
I really liked it. My loaded fries were good. The fries are cut from potatoes.
I got the chicken tenders with the buffalo dipping sauce. And how was it, babe? You ate them? And that was good.
I got this shirt from the restaurant. It says "Don't mess with Texas." It's got the Chainsaw Massacre on there in the back. Read it, babe.
Club Car Bar, Kingsland, Texas. Who will survive?
And then we got a free bumper sticker.
Cool.
Super cool.
That's Ed Gein's granddaughter. Here we have Ed Gein's granddaughter.
Oh my god.